welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I'd like to wish all our viewers a very happy धनतेरस। आज शो पे लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए लेटेस्ट from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. So without further ado, let's quickly begin with the top stories of the day. Deepika Padukone says she has a bittersweet feeling this Diwali. Plans to stay home and do a simple puja. Siddharth Shukla, consoling an emotional fan, wins the internet. Neha Kakkar can't stop confessing her love for Rohan Preet. In Salman Khan's reality show, Kavita Kaushik engages in an ugly verbal spat with Ejaz Khan. Review of MX original series Ashram Chapter 2 The Dark Side.
Congratulations, baby.
Thank you so much, baby. To you too. This is all because of you.
Oh, matlab, people who are watching us? Oh, me.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone. Love you. We love you.
We love you.
Singer Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh are in Dubai for their honeymoon. They both are loving it and sharing their happy moments with their fans on social media. दोनों ही रोहन प्रीत के लेटेस्ट सॉन्ग एक्स कॉलिंग की सक्सेस को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone. Love you. We love you.
We love you.
Newlywed couple Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh are enjoying each and every moment of their honeymoon in Dubai. दोनों कोई भी मौका नहीं छोड़ते हैं अपने फैंस के साथ कनेक्ट करने का और अपनी खुशियां शेयर करने का। They keep sharing pictures and videos on their social media handles from their honeymoon. Now both are enjoying the success of Rohan Preet Singh's latest song X Calling and have been sharing their happiness with their fans. In the latest video that Neha shared on her Instagram story, both Neha and Rohan Preet are listening to the song. Neha congratulates Rohan Preet and in return, he thanks her and says, "This is all because of you."
Congratulations, baby.
Thank you so much, baby. To you too. This is all because of you.
Oh, matlab, people who are watching us? Oh, me.
Yes.
Oh.
Neha replies saying, "Baby, I love you."
Because
Oh,
you.
baby, I love you. And of course, it's all because of people who are watching us right now also, है ना, baby?
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone. Love you. We love you.
We love you.
The couple thanked their fans for showering them and X-calling with so much love and appreciation.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone. Love you. We love you.
We love you.
वाइफ नेहा बहुत खुश है और प्यार में डूबी हुई लग रही है। वो गाने पर झूम रही है, गा रही है, ये उनके शेयर किए वीडियो में दिखाई देता है। She can be seen grooving to the song while sitting all wrapped up in her bed. In another video, Neha shows a glimpse of her romantic candlelight dinner date with Rohan Preet.
Thank you very much.
गाने की कामयाबी ने दोनों को 7वें आसमान पर पहुंचा दिया है और दोनों काफी खुश लग रहे हैं, जिससे उनके हनीमून में 4 चांद लग गए हैं। Well, the honeymoon is still going on and let's wait for some more happy moments.
What a view.
Chalo, let's order something.
Check the.
Aww. Thank you. ये लो मैं करती हूँ।
खुशी आप खुशी खुशी नहीं दोगे फोटो तो कैसे होगा खुशी खुशी को दो फोटो नहीं काम काम
Siddharth Shukla is winning hearts of their fans. A video of the actor is going viral on the internet. सेलिब्रिटीज की सबसे बड़ी ताकत उनके फैंस होते हैं और जब सेलिब्रिटीज अपने फैंस को उतना ही प्यार वापस लौटाते हैं, देन फैंस के लिए ये खुशी का मोमेंट बन जाता है। ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ टेलीविजन एक्टर सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला के साथ जब वो चंडीगढ़ में थे और एक फैन जब उनसे मिली तो शी वॉज लिटरली इन टीयर्स। Siddharth recently went to Chandigarh with Shehnaz Gill to shoot for a music video. दोनों अंशुल गर्ग और टोनी कक्कर के वीडियो में साथ आने वाले हैं। The music video might be out in the next month, which is December 2020. जैसे ही फैंस को पता चला कि सिद्धार्थ चंडीगढ़ में है, they reached their hotel. सिद्धार्थ फैंस को देख के बहुत खुश हुए and he took selfies with his fans.
आंटी लेट हो गया, आंटी जाने दो।
सिद्धार्थ नहीं हो पा रहा।
But the most amazing thing is that a video of the TV actor with an emotional fan is making netizens gush.
खुशी आप खुशी खुशी नहीं दोगे, फोटो पे कैसे होगा? खुशी खुशी को दो फोटो। नहीं? काम
बहुत है।
right?
He was seen wearing a mustard tee and denim in this video. The actor was about to leave for his flight the night before when the fans came out to meet the stars Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill. In the clip, the fan can be seen getting emotional after meeting her favorite celeb. पर जिस बात ने वीडियो को वायरल किया, वो थी सिद्धार्थ का फैन गर्ल को कंसोल करना. The fan who was shedding tears of joy.
ये लो मैं करती हूँ।
खुशी आप खुशी खुशी नहीं दोगे, फोटो पे कैसे होगा? खुशी खुशी को दो फोटो। नहीं? काम
बहुत है।
right?
खींची नहीं गई, अरे आप मानोगे पूरा दिन की हमारी खींची नहीं गई भाई।
तुम लोग मेरी तो नहीं खींच रहे हो?
नहीं नहीं
बोलती नहीं खींची, टांग मेरा मतलब।
Well, Siddharth's sweet gesture definitely made his fans' day.
ये लो मैं करती हूँ।
खुशी आप खुशी खुशी नहीं दोगे, फोटो पे कैसे होगा? खुशी खुशी को दो फोटो। नहीं? काम
बहुत है।
right?
जब से एली गोनी कैप्टन बनी है, तब से घर की शांति खत्म होती जा रही है. एली गोनी became the new captain of the house by winning the Dance to Survive task. Salman Khan's reality show just knows how to make noise and take all the attention. Show is running successfully because daily कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है घर के अंदर. People love the show for its entertainment. Ali Goni captain बन चुके हैं. Kavita Kaushik is fighting verbally with Ejaz Khan, and a lot more is going on inside the house with lots of entertainment. Let's check out this story. In this show, fights are like a daily dose, and this time, FIR actress Kavita Kaushik is fighting with Ejaz Khan. हुआ ये है कि शो में 2 पिंजरे लाए गए हैं और ऑर्डर हुआ है कि आप किसको जेल में भेजना चाहेंगे. So starting with the bold actress Kavita Kaushik, she takes on Ejaz Khan and Pavitra Punia. She said, मैं इन दोनों लव बर्ड्स को साथ में रखना चाहूंगी. She further said that Ejaz Khan is a liar and a fake person. Ejaz Khan tries to defend himself and shouts on other contestants. Ejaz said, आपके सामने ये बातें हो रही है. आप चुपचाप देख रहे हैं। Meanwhile, जब से एली गोनी कैप्टन बनी है, Nikki Tamboli is not listening to his instruction and refuses to wake up even after repeated alarms. एक small fight होती है between her and Ali. बाद में Ali tries to clear the misunderstanding between him and Nikki Tamboli, but she says that Ali is not captain for her and will do whatever she wants to do. No doubt the show has lots of heat in it. और यही फैंस को पसंद है। अभी तो काफी शो बाकी है, so let's wait for the drama to entertain all of us. रोशनी का त्योहार आ चुका है और ऐसे में हर तरफ खुशियां छाई है, बिकॉज फेस्टिवल मूड हैज स्टार्टेड। देश में चल रहा है खुशियों का माहौल क्योंकि दिवाली सेलिब्रेशंस चल रहे हैं। Even the pandemic crisis has not been able to dampen the festive spirit among the people as they gear up for the festivities in the coming days. लोग काफी खुश और enthusiastic है इस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, और ऐसे में हमारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज पार्टी देने से कैसे पीछे रहेंगे। बेबो यानी करीना कपूर खान recently gave a pre-Diwali get-together party to her sister Karisma Kapoor and her parents Randhir Kapoor and Babita Kapoor. Just like others, the Bollywood film industry is also all set to celebrate Diwali while following the current rules and regulations amidst the pandemic situation. Good news is celebrations have already begun in Bollywood for Diwali. Kareena Kapoor Khan invited her family at her home. Bebo's sister Karisma Kapoor came along with her kids and parents Randhir Kapoor and Babita Kapoor to celebrate Diwali.
सर एक मिनट। हाँ सर मैम रुकिए ना, करिश्मा जी मैम रुकिए, मैम करिश्मा जी।
घर की डेकोरेशंस को देख के पता चल गया कि सैफीना के घर में दिवाली सेलिब्रेशंस शुरू हो चुके हैं एंड इट्स अ प्री दिवाली पार्टी। Karisma Kapoor opts for a casual black cardigan and jeans as she waves at the paps while on her way inside. Randhir Kapoor is wearing a red and black shirt and Bebo and Saif इस वक्त अपने second baby की डिलीवरी के लिए काफी खुश है क्योंकि they are going to embrace the parenthood yet again. The doting parents of Taimur Ali Khan announced the good news a few weeks back, much to the excitement of the fans. Lately, Kareena Kapoor Khan and her son Taimur Ali Khan have left for Dharamshala to be with Saif Ali Khan for Diwali celebrations.
मैम थोड़ा आगे प्लीज। करीना मैम थोड़ा आगे, नहीं मिल रहा मैम।
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ आई विल बी बैक इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल। Actress Deepika Padukone believes 2020 Diwali is slightly different because of the various things different people have gone through due to the pandemic. Well, Diwali is here and the celebrations of this festival has started. But this year's celebration are totally different. अभी तक हम जैसे खुशी, मस्ती, फैमिली गेट टुगेदर, एंजॉइंग विद फ्रेंड्स ऐसे सेलिब्रेट करते आए हैं, this year it's going to be really different because we all have to be at our own homes and pray for everyone to be safe and healthy. ऐसी ही विश है हमारी gorgeous actress दीपिका पादुकोण की. Her Diwali wish is that लोगों को शांति मिले और खुशी मिले. दीपिका ने बताया कि बचपन से ही दिवाली उनका फेवरेट फेस्टिवल रहा है. But this year, due to the pandemic outbreak, Deepika Padukone plans to keep things quite low-key. She says it's been a difficult year for many in different ways. So what we intend to do is to stay at home, do a simple puja and spend time with family. दीपिका पादुकोण ने कहा कि डिफिकल्ट टाइम में त्योहार आप में एक खुशी की उम्मीद जगाता है, जिससे यू कैन गेट पॉजिटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड फॉर द फ्यूचर. On asking, growing up in Bengaluru, what are your memories of the festival as a kid? The star said, "My memories of Diwali is all about spending quality time with family and friends. In fact, that's what I look forward to this year as well." Deepika Padukone says keeping diyas ready, readying the wick, putting ghee and lighting them during the puja is what she looks forward to the most. On the work front, Deepika is currently shooting for Shakun Batra's Untitled Next, which also stars Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi in the lead roles. Apart from this, she will also be seen in Kabir Khan's 83, where she will be seen sharing screen space with husband Ranveer Singh once again. Well, she is also co-producing the film. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Also reminding all you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Happy Dhanteras once again and a happy Diwali coming soon. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe.